Welcome to my channel Unboxing Guru. Today we're diving into the specifications of the Lava Blaze 3 5G. Let's break down what this smartphone has to offer. Display. First up, the 6.5-inch HD Plus display. This size provides a nice balance between usability and screen real estate, making it perfect for media consumption and gaming. With a 90Hz refresh rate, you'll experience smoother scrolling and improved responsiveness. Battery next, we have a 5000 mAh battery. This hefty battery is designed to keep you powered throughout the day, ensuring you can enjoy your apps, games, and videos without constantly worrying about charging. Camera. For photography enthusiasts, the Lava Blaze 3 features a 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera setup. The primary 50 megapixel lens captures detailed images, while the additional 2 megapixel lens can enhance depth perception for portraits. On the front, there's an 8 megapixel camera for selfies, perfect for capturing those memorable moments. Performance. Powering this device is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, which offers robust performance for everyday tasks and gaming, contributing to an Antutu score of around 410,000 plus. This makes it capable of handling multitasking with ease. Storage and RAM. In terms of memory, you get 6 GB of RAM with an additional 6 GB of virtual RAM, giving you plenty of space for your apps and multitasking. The internal storage is 128 GB UFS 2.2, which ensures fast data access and ample room for your photos, videos, and apps. Security. For security, the phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, providing quick and easy access to your device. Design and build. The Lava Blaze 3 is equipped with a TPU case, offering a good level of protection. Charging and connectivity. Charging is handled by an 18-watt charger with a Type-C cable, ensuring you can quickly recharge your device. Plus, with 5G connectivity, you'll be ready for fast internet speeds where available. Software. It runs on clean Android 14, which means a smooth, bloatware-free experience. Additional features. The device also supports dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Price and warranty. All of this comes at a price of 11,499 Indian rupees, and you'll also get free home service and a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind with your purchase. If you're looking for a reliable smartphone that doesn't break the bank, this one is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more unboxing and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.